Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are good. Friends, today I'm going to show you that how to fix file system error, and the error code is -214741639. Friends, because of this error code we can't open any picture on Windows. So today I'll show you how to solve this problem. So to know the settings, please watch the whole video, and if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe now and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Now jump on the main work. Friends, in this error code, if you try to open any picture like this, then it shows this error code, this one. So in this video I'll try to solve this problem. For this you have to do one thing. You can close all the tab now. You have to go on Windows dialog box from here. Then you can write here services, SERVICES. Then you'll see at the top services desktop app, right? You can click on here, and now here you'll find lots of options, and all the options are set up by alphabetically. And from here you have to choose Windows License Manager. This option you'll find at the end. For this you have to scroll down from right hand side. You have to go on Windows License Manager. This one, my friends, Windows License Manager, right? Now it is disabled. Startup type disabled, right? To enable it, you have to double click on it. Then you'll see startup type disabled, and here is a drop down sign. You have to click on here. Then you have to choose from here automatic. After that you have to click on apply, and you have to wait a few seconds. After that you have to click on OK. And see, my friends, Windows License Manager, now it is automatic, right? Startup type. Now you can close this window, and you can restart your computer from here. After that you can open your JPEG file or PNG file or any picture. Hope so your problem will be solved. So friends, like this, if you have error code -214741639, you can solve in this way. Friends, still if you face same problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answers as soon as possible. And if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Friends, next time I'll come with another exclusive video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.